what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing some sweet and sour pork. Stick with me, let's do this. Alright. Got a little bit of prep work to do to this. We're just gonna slice this up a little bit. Just like that. Alright, let me get this finished up and I'll get back to you. Alright, got the veggies done. Let's move on to our meat. Alright, we'll start up with a little trim. Some of the fat here. In case I didn't mention, I'm using pork steak. You can do this with chops, but I want to do this with pork. I think it'd hold up well to the vinegar that I'm going to use for the sour portion of this. Alright, that looks good. Set this to the side. And we're just going to trim it up into nice little slits about like that. You know, just trim it off this bone. Get it as good as you possibly can. There should be a little bit left over on the bone. We ain't trying to do too much surgery to it. Little pieces like that. That should be good enough. Let me finish this up and I'll get back to you. Alright, that's sliced up. Continue waiting over here. Move on to the next step. Alright, we're going to season this up where you can guess it. That It's Incredible by Heaven Made Products. I just love this stuff. Just gonna mix that in. And let this marinate for a second. We're gonna add some stuff to it. Just a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And then we're gonna let it marinate a couple minutes while I finish cooking up these fat pieces that I'm enjoying. Alright, a little bit of that balsamic. Let that set. Alright. Probably have to do these in batches just to pre-cook them a little bit. That way we don't start them to boiling instead of frying. Alright. Let's let this go a couple minutes. Put in another batch. Second batch in. Last batch going in. Alright. Be back when we get to the veggies. Alright. This last batch out. This set aside. Put our veggies in. Alright. Everything in once. Let that saute down for a second. Move on to the next step. Alright, now that I got a little room in here, we're going to go with a cup of sugar. And then we're going to go with a cup of red wine vinegar. Let the sugar dissolve a little bit. Let it come back up to heat. And we'll add that in. Alright, tips come back up. Sugar feeds a lot of liquid in the bottom of there. Get that red wine in there. Alright, we're going to let that come back up. Add the meat back in. And let that go until it reduces. Alright, I had cranked this up to medium. I'm going to turn it back down to a medium low. Add my meat back. And we're going to let this simmer down until it reduces. And we'll be ready to munch. Put me some rice on. And we're going to put this over some rice. Stay tuned. Alright. Going in a nice little simmer. We're going to let this go. Got the rice covered up. Timer set. We'll see you back when we plate her up. Alright. Meat's good and tender. So I've increased the heat to reduce this sauce down. We'll be ready to eat here in a second. Stay tuned. Alright, my sauce is where I want it to be. Let's get plated up. A bit of rice. And our sweet and sour pork. Looks delicious. Let's give her a taste. Okay. The flavors are great. I like the balance of the sweet and sour there. It's really good. I think you'll like this. Give this a try. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And tell a friend about me. And subscribe if you haven't. So we'll see you on the next one.